Hey guys, welcome back to another video and thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. So in today's video, I am going to be using this Polygel kit from Makartt, but very quickly I'm just going to show you what's inside. As you can see, there is a pamphlet with instructions on how to use the Polygel and how to properly apply it. It also comes with the file, which is 100/180 grit, and I'm loving this pink and blue ombre, you guys. It's super cute. It does come with a dual-ended brush, and on the other side, of course, there's a spatula. It also comes with 4 different colors of glitter. The first one you see here is blue, purple, pink, and a clear, and I will be using 3 of those colors today. I did not swatch them, so I do apologize, but soon you will see the colors. Also, it comes with the base coat and a top coat. So this kit is fully ready for you guys to use at home. The only thing it didn't come with is a little lamp like some of the other kits have come with, but I mean, it's okay. And also underneath, as you can see, it comes with dual forms, which I will not be using today, but I do want to eventually use dual forms. I'll probably make a separate video for that. All right, ladies, so let's start having some fun. So the colors that I'm going to be using today are the blue, purple, and pink. And you can see the numbers on the tube for reference. So I'm just going to apply the Polygel straight out of the tube onto the nail tip. It's just a lot easier than me putting it on the spatula and then trying to apply it on the nail. And if you're familiar with Polygel, you guys know what I mean. But yeah, so moving on. So what I'm using for my slip solution today is the 70% alcohol. And I'm just going to try my best to blend in these 3 colors together, which are super cute. I actually love how these turned out. So with Polygel, I am super excited to be giving it another try. If you're not familiar with Polygel, or it's your first time or whatever, you can really lose your marbles, your patience, because it is sticky. And if you're used to acrylic, I'm pretty sure, or maybe it was just me, you're going to try to use it like acrylic. So with Polygel, what you want to do is just to be able to work it, you want to pat, and then just work it down to the free edge of the nail. So I'm finally learning how to use it, and so I was super excited to give it another try. And it's a good thing because I have a lot of Polygel kits just sitting there with beautiful colors. So soon I'm going to be trying another Polygel kit. I think it's the Boutique Florist, which is super beautiful. Makartt really does come with the packaging is just super cute in all their boxes, if you guys haven't noticed. I absolutely love them. So here I'm just going to apply the bead to the cuticle area, and I'm going to try to apply as little as pressure as possible because I want to keep this area thick, because I am trying to, you know, keep it thick for my apex. Because if your nails were this long in real life and you had no apex, girlfriend, your nail would snap. And that wouldn't be good. So we do still want to create an apex. And the apex should be right where the natural nail bed and the nail tip meet. All right, and so moving on to the middle finger, I'm just going to use the pink glitter for this nail, which is going to be all pink. And if you do notice that your Polygel is starting to stick to your brush, it's time to dip it in the alcohol in your slip solution, whatever you may be using, whether it be alcohol or base coat. I do see in a lot of videos that people really do prefer to use the base coat. I personally don't think I have used it, not that I remember, but alcohol seems to be working for me. So yeah, if your Polygel starts sticking to your brush, it's time to dip it in the slip solution. You want to keep your brush wet at all times. And you guys, I'm only speaking from experience. It might be a different experience for you guys, but this is what it's been working for me. These are the little tips that I can give you guys. So if it works for you, awesome. If it doesn't, I'm so sorry, but this is what works for me. But if you religiously use Polygel and if you have tips, I would gladly accept the tips. Let me know some tips and tricks. Leave them down in the comments below. But if you don't know any and you're trying to get into Polygel, I would suggest you guys look up my girl Femi Beauty. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with her, and if you're not, hello, where have you been? But she is the queen of Polygel. She will show you guys all the tips and tricks that you guys need to know when it comes to Polygel. If you also have heard the lazy girl method, I'm trying to do the lazy girl method. I actually tried it a couple of days ago, just one finger, and I failed miserably. I think my because I try to use my press-on tips that I got from Amazon, but I think maybe the size was too small. I think I needed to up a size for all the polygel and stuff to fit in there. But I tried to follow along with her and it didn't work out so well. So you guys, I'm going to be coming up with a video of me attempting to do the lazy girl method, just so you guys can see how that goes and maybe laugh at me a little bit. I don't know, because it might not go so well. So, but yeah, guys, if you guys are definitely wanting to try polygel, I suggest you guys watch a couple of her videos. She definitely has a couple of tricks up her sleeve. You guys would definitely learn a lot from her. She's awesome. I can tell by her videos, she's such a sweet soul. So definitely go check her out, you guys. Okay, so now we're on the ring finger, and I did the same thing I did with the index finger. I did the 3 colors, the blue, the purple, and the pink. And you guys, I'm absolutely loving these colors. They're very translucent and so glittery, and they kind of remind me a little bit of galaxy colors. So yeah, super cute. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch really quick. Again, it's nothing but patting that you're gonna see. So just continue watching and I'll be right back. All right, so now we are moving on to the pinky, and I'm just going to be using the blue glitter one, no other color. And I actually used this blue color for this nail set that I did not too long ago, and I loved how they turned out. I didn't unfortunately record that set. I actually need to get in the habit of recording everything that I practice, because sometimes it turns out just amazing. And of course, I don't have a video for to show you guys or anything like that. So I learned from my friend Marky Mark to record everything, even when you're practicing, because you just don't know what you're gonna come up with, if it's gonna be awesome, if not, whatever. But yes, just record everything, you guys, even when you're just practicing. So yeah, so we're gonna move on. After this pinky, we're gonna move on to adding some designs and some rhinestones. Okay guys, so what you're about to see, please don't do. So I didn't cure any of this just yet, so I was trying to show you guys what they look like so far. And of course, since they're not cured, they kind of stuck together, as you can see. But no biggie, I just dipped my brush in the alcohol and then just fixed it really quick. So it's just that simple. So after I was done with this, I did pop the nails in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And after curing, I just grabbed a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and removed the sticky layer, because they are super sticky once you take them out of the lamp. So now I'm going to move on to filing. I just left just a little bit of filing just so you guys can see what I do. And my favorite files right now are from Sally's Beauty Supply. So I absolutely love these. So as you can see, I do like to pull out the nail out of my practice hand, because you guys, whatever I buy, I like to take care of, and I absolutely do not want to ruin my hand with, ripping it or filing it or whatever. So I do pull out my nails a lot from my practice hand. And really quick, the way I file is, as you guys can see, I just move my file side to side, making sure that I keep it as straight as possible. And then I go to the free edge and go over the nail. And I do this to all the nails, but I'm only going to show you one really quick. And then once I'm done filing, you're going to see what the whole hand looks like after being filed. So there you have it. And so now I'm just going to add these Louis Vuitton stickers that I've had forever, which I don't think I have used them at all. I just grabbed my tweezers really quick to try to take the sticker off the little plastic thing. I try to avoid touching the sticker with my fingers, because our hands are oily or whatever, and that the sticker will not stick properly if you keep touching it. So voila, now there's 3 stickers on the nail. And here I'm just adding the other little stickers of the sign, and I'm going to be doing this to the index finger as well, adding stickers. Now what I did here, well, you're going to see really quick that little circle symbol for the Louis Vuitton design. What I did was just cut that sticker in half, as you can see, and place it at the edge of the nail so I wouldn't waste the whole sticker. And then I just took the other half and placed it at the end, well, at the edge of the nail. Guys, sometimes I don't know if I make sense or not. I try my best to explain what I'm doing, but sometimes I'm like blah 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 blah, so I do apologize. And now just really quickly, I'm taking the top coat and applying it as fast as I can because I don't want my stickers to start lifting. And then I also apply top coat under the nail as well so they can be even shinier. And you guys, honestly, this video doesn't do these nails any justice because the glitter is absolutely, it's just so super shiny. All right, so as you can see, I applied the stickers also to the index finger. So now I'm just taking my gem glue, which is from Red Iguana, and as you can see, I grabbed a pretty good amount, and I'm gonna try to apply it not too thin, but thin enough so it won't be like super bulky with the glue, because I'm gonna be applying the rhinestones on this one. And then I'm just gonna apply my top coat over it, but I'm not gonna cure just yet. And then I'm just gonna grab my wax pencil that I got from Amazon and apply my rhinestones. You guys, my rhinestone placement is not the best, and you're gonna see soon that I did change up just 2 things because I didn't like how they looked, and I still wasn't too sure about my rhinestone placement, but I mean, whatever. Yeah, I'm just gonna use a couple of rhinestones, and I used some pink opals, which I absolutely love. I got this packet from Amazon that came with some green ones, blue ones, and some pink ones. They were super cute. So as you can see here, I'm trying to get kind of creative. I've actually followed this one account on Instagram, which they show you a lot of different rhinestone placements. Guys, I'm trying to learn some things, you know, with these whole rhinestones. So as you can see, I really didn't like it. So I ended up changing 2 of the rhinestones out for one of those, the little gold or ring things, but you guys will see at the end. For the pinky, I try to keep it as simple as possible because I wasn't trying to do too much, because again, my rhinestone placement is not that great. So once I'm done with the rhinestones, I'm gonna pop it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds, and we'll move on to the results. So this is the final look, you guys. Let me know what do you guys think, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.